Welcome to Gyamvani. This is the only platform where you will find all genres of audiobook daily. So let's get started for our today's video. Have you ever wondered how some people achieve extraordinary achievements? How do they make the impossible possible? How do they accomplish great things in a short time? This secret is hidden in the book Stealing Fire, written by Steven Kotler and Jamie Wheal. This book helps us understand that the world's most successful people like Navy SEALs, Silicon Valley technology leaders and scientists perform exceptionally by taking their consciousness to a different level. It is not just a game of hard work, but it is the art of using an amazing mental state called Access, altered state of consciousness. When a person or group is in this state, they can use their full potential, make the impossible possible and touch new heights. This book teaches us that this state is not only available to a select few but to everyone, provided we understand and adopt it correctly. In today's fast-changing world, speed and performance are everything. Those who learn fast, take decisions fast and implement fast are the ones who move ahead, whether you are a student, an entrepreneur or an artist, or a professional. If you want to take your concentration, creativity and productivity to the next level, then you have to learn the art of increasing your mental ability. This art has been called Access in the book, a mental state in which you can fully awaken your inner power. When a person is in this state, time seems to slow down, thoughts become clear, and even impossible tasks seem simple. This is the reason why Navy SEALs commandos and Tesla's innovators, Olympic athletes and top artists of the world adopt this state. It has been told in this book that through meditation, music, breath control, neurotechnology, psychedelic and other scientific techniques, we can take our consciousness to new heights. This book inspires us to recognize our limits, recognize our mental power, and bring change in our life because real success does not come from the outside world but from recognizing and using the inner power in the right way. Now the time has come for you to awaken that spark within you which can make you extraordinary. Book easily. We have divided this summary into 6 chapters, so let's start. Chapter 1. What is excesses? Have you ever experienced that moment when you get so engrossed in a task that you lose track of time, when your mind is filled with extreme clarity, energy and creativity, when your performance goes beyond your normal level? This state is called excesses. It is an altered state of consciousness in which a person can use his mental, physical and emotional capabilities to the extreme. When a person is in this state, he can cross his limits, make extraordinary decisions and perform unbelievably. In today's competitive world, only hard work is not enough. Real success is achieved when we learn how to push our mind and body to the maximum potential. Excesses is not just an experience, but it can increase the speed of learning, sharpen the ability to solve problems and help reach new heights in life. This is why the world's most successful people, Navy SEALs, Silicon Valley innovators, Olympic athletes and artists, try to experience this state again and again. Scientists have found that excesses can be activated in 4 main ways. 1. Psychology. Our brain becomes what we focus on. When we practice deep concentration and meditation, we can train our brain to get into this state. Sportsmen and artists who spend hours engaged in a single activity often experience ecstasy. For example, great athletes like Michael Jordan go into a flow state while playing basketball, where they can make the right decisions without thinking. 2. Neurobiology. When we are in ecstasy, certain neurochemicals are activated in our brain, such as dopamine, serotonin, and adrenaline. These chemicals make us feel more focused, happy, and energetic, which allows us to perform exceptionally. For example, Navy SEALs go into this state during dangerous missions, which allows them to make quick, accurate decisions without panicking. 3. Pharmacology. Many cultures have used natural medicines to raise their consciousness. Some scientific research shows that certain psychads, in the right doses, can boost the brain's creativity and focus. For example, Silicon Valley innovators like microdosing. Today, through technologies like virtual reality, VR, neurofeedback, and brainwave stimulation, we can quickly bring our brain into a state of ecstasis. For example, some companies are developing special headsets that help a person to quickly go into meditation and deep concentration by monitoring brain waves. Ecstasis is not magic, but it is a natural ability of our brain and body that can be awakened with the right techniques. If we understand this and apply it in our lives, we can learn faster, achieve high levels of creativity, and achieve extraordinary success. Now the question is, are you ready to use your full potential? Chapter 2. The Science of Flow and High Performance. Have you ever experienced when you were so lost in some work that you did not even realize the time? When your focus was so deep that the noise of the outside world disappeared and you were completely immersed in your work. This is called flow state. A mental state in which our brain and body are completely in sync and we reach our best performance. When we are in this state, our mind is completely focused, decision-making becomes easy, and our creativity increases manifold. The world's most successful people, Navy SEALs, Silicon Valley innovators, Olympic athletes and artists try to go into this state again and again because it helps in learning faster, making excellent decisions and achieving great achievements. How does the mind work in flow state? Our brain is usually full of thoughts, what to do, what not to do, worries about the future, memories of the past and countless unnecessary thoughts. But when we are in flow state, our brain removes all these things and focuses only on the present moment. During this time, our mental energy is fully used only in doing the work that is in front of us. When we go into flow state, the prefrontal cortex of the brain slows down temporarily, which reduces our self-doubt and fear. During this time, our brain starts working faster without any hindrance, due to which our productivity, learning speed, and problem-solving ability increases manifold. In the flow state, certain special chemicals and neurotransmitters are activated in our brain that help us perform exceptionally. 1. Dopamine. When we solve a challenging task, our brain releases dopamine. It makes us feel excited, alert, and motivated. We start enjoying even difficult tasks. Example, when a coder solves a difficult problem or a player scores an incredible goal, dopamine motivates them to do even better. To norepinephrine, this chemical increases our focus and alertness so that our brain can ignore the outside world and focus only on important things. It helps us stay calm and focused even in difficult situations by increasing the energy of our muscles and brain. Example, Navy SEALs can make quick decisions even under extreme stress during war because a high amount of norepinephrine is activated in their brain. 3. Serotonin. When we are engaged in a productive task for a long time and finally achieve success, serotonin gives us deep satisfaction and confidence. It reduces stress and anxiety, making our performance more effective. Example, when an artist performs a productive task, serotonin gives us deep satisfaction and confidence. It reduces stress and anxiety, making our performance more effective. Example, when an artist performs a productive task, when a person completes a great painting after working hard for months, the satisfaction he gets is due to serotonin. Serotonin endorphin. This chemical does not let us feel pain and fatigue, due to which we remain steadfast in even the most difficult tasks. Endorphin fills our body with enthusiasm and power, due to which we remain energetic for a long time. For example, marathon runners run for many hours without stopping because the level of endorphin in their body is very high. How does flow state enhance learning? Decision-making and creativity. Ability to learn faster. Accelerated learning. When we are in flow state, our brain's neuroplasticity increases, due to which we can learn new things faster. This means that we can acquire more knowledge in less time and make our skills better than before. To high-level decision-making. Better decision-making in flow state, our brain is subconsciously able to take decisions faster because during this time our self-doubt and fear are reduced. We can take more accurate and confident decisions. 3. Creativity and innovation. Creativity and innovation in flow state, our brain is able to generate new ideas. This is why the innovative scientists and artists of Silicon Valley want to experience this state again and again so that they can give birth to new and revolutionary ideas. Flow state is not just a mysterious state, it is a learned and adopted skill. Whenever you feel deep concentration, clear thinking and high level of energy while doing some important work, then understand that you are in flow state. The more you experience this state, the more you can increase your learning ability, decision-making power and creativity. Now the time has come for you to adopt flow state in your life and break all your limits and achieve extraordinary achievements. Chapter 3: Hacking the Mind. Tools for entering flow. What if you could bring more productivity, creativity and confidence in your life every day? If you could train your mind in such a way that whenever you start doing any work, you get completely lost in it and reach your best performance? This is the secret of flow state, and the good news is that you do not need any magic to achieve it. It is completely possible. You just need the right tools and techniques. In this chapter, we will understand the methods that successful entrepreneurs, Olympic athletes, Navy SEALs and scientists use to go into the flow state. In today's world, our attention is divided everywhere. Mobile phones, social media, office pressure, worries about the future and countless thoughts. In such a situation, it becomes difficult for us to go into deep concentration, deep focus. But mindful meditation and brain work are such techniques that can calm our brain and take us into the flow state. Mindfulness means living completely in the present moment and feeling everything without any prejudice. When we practice mindfulness, our mind becomes free from useless worries and unnecessary thoughts and focuses only on important tasks. Example: Steve Jobs used to practice mindfulness regularly, due to which his decision-making ability and creativity increased manifold. Meditation can change the structure of our brain and helps us to stay in deep focus for a long time. Meditation makes our mind sharp and clear, so that we can focus on difficult tasks without getting distracted. Example: Olympic athletes practice meditation regularly so that they can stay mentally strong and improve their performance. Our breathing speed affects our mental and physical performance. When we breathe slowly and deeply, our mind becomes calm and we can work more efficiently without stress. For example, Navy SEALs use the box breathing technique in which they breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds and wait for 4 seconds. This technique helps them stay calm and focused even in stressful situations. In recent years, scientists have found that certain drugs and technological devices can quickly take our brain into a flow state. However, only their correct and controlled use can be beneficial. Some neuroscientists and entrepreneurs use microdosing, a technique in which very small amounts of psychedelic substances are consumed. These substances can increase creativity, problem-solving ability, and mental clarity. For example, many Silicon Valley startup founders use microdosing to improve their thinking ability and innovation. Neurostimulation techniques such as transcranial direct current, TCC, are used. Stimulation TDCS is used to alter brain waves, which allows us to go into flow state faster. Example: US military pilots use TDCS to make quick decisions and improve their response in dangerous situations. The world's most successful people follow certain strategies to go into flow state repeatedly. You too can bring miraculous changes in your life by adopting these. Go clear goal. Your brain works to its full potential only when it has a clear direction and purpose. Example: Olympic gold medalist Michael Phelps practiced every day by setting small goals so that he could improve his performance every time. Do deep work. Dedicate some time of your day to one important task with deep meditation and without any interruption. Example: Bill Gates used to take think weeks where he would disconnect from the world and focus only on studying and thinking. Use music. Use music to enter flow. Scientific research suggests that musical sounds containing beta and gamma waves can bring the brain into flow state faster. Example: Elon Musk listens to a special type of music playlist while working, which helps him to focus on his work. Productivity increases. You too can go into flow state. Flow state is no secret. It is a natural ability of our brain. By adopting the right techniques and habits, you too can go into this state again and again and achieve more productivity, confidence and success. All you have to do is adopt mindful meditation, hard work and deep focus in your life. Now the time has come for you to hack your brain, take your abilities to the next level and change your life completely. Chapter 4: Group Flow. The secret to team synergy. Have you ever seen a team that performs exceptionally together, where every member understands each other's thoughts without even speaking and the team works in an amazing coordination? This is called group flow. When a team comes together in the same rhythm and achieves incredible results. The best teams in the world, whether it is the soldiers of Navy SEALs, innovators of SpaceX or Olympic athletes, all adopt this group flow. It proves to be many times more effective than working alone. When an entire team comes into flow state, they can make better decisions faster. You can solve problems and make the impossible possible. Now the question is, can you also bring this magic in your team? Can you take your team to such a level where everyone moves in the same direction with full energy and enthusiasm? Yes, it is possible. Let us know how. Flow state is very powerful at the individual level, but when many people experience it together, it becomes even more effective. During group flow, all the members of the team are connected to each other at a deep level. Their thoughts and actions are completely in sync and they can understand each other's gestures instantly. Navy SEAL soldiers work with amazing coordination even in dangerous and uncertain situations. They trust each other 100% and take the right decision without wasting time. How do they communicate? Through signals and small gestures? Nonverbal communication is done. Collective objectives. Focus on shared goals. Rise above personal ego and give priority to the team. When an entire team focuses on the same goal and takes decisions quickly while trusting each other's abilities, then group flow is at its highest level. There are 3 important elements to bring any team into a state of group flow. A common goal. Moving in the same direction. Everybody in the team should be clear about what we want to achieve and why. Every member should feel that their contribution is important. Example: SpaceX. In SpaceX, everyone from the engineer to the cleaner is motivated by the mission to colonize humans on Mars. To trust and psychological safety. Trust and psychological safety. Group flow is possible only when everyone can share their ideas without any fear. Leaders have to create an environment where people can experiment, make mistakes and learn from them. Example: according to research, the biggest characteristic of successful teams is that there is psychological safety. Psychological safety means people can work freely without any fear. 3. Rapid decision making and immediate feedback. Rapid decision making and immediate feedback. Group flow happens only when the team takes decisions quickly and keeps improving without wasting time. Slow meetings, heavy planning, and unnecessary processes stop group flow. Example: to pizza rule. In Amazon to pizza, the rule was implemented that is a team should be so small that it can be satisfied by feeding it 2 pizzas. This speeds up the decision-making process. Now the question arises, can any team go into group flow? Yes, if they follow the right strategies. First, make meetings short and effective. Long and boring meetings drain the energy of the team. 2. Set a clear objective for every meeting and maintain focus. 2. Increase trust in each other. When team members trust each other, they will be able to work more freely. 3. Give importance to everyone's opinion before taking any decision. 3. Remove obstacles and give autonomy to people. Give freedom to team members so that they can work in their own way. 4. Reduce bureaucratic processes and unnecessary approvals. 4. Keep a clear objective and think big. Your team should always see a big mission that motivates them. People like to work for a great purpose, not just for salary. Group flow is not a mysterious power. It is a learned and adopted mental state. The world's most successful teams repeat it again and again, which helps them overcome the biggest challenges. Navy SEALs, soldiers, engineers, SpaceX scientists, and Olympic athletes all experience this state. Now the question is, do you also want to bring this level of coordination and performance in your team? Do you want your team to achieve extraordinary results? If yes, then start adopting these strategies from today itself and see how your team starts performing magically. Chapter 5: Peak Performance in Work and Life. Have you ever wondered how some people are able to perform consistently and reliably in their work? How do they maintain focus, productivity, and creativity even in difficult situations? They do not have any special power, but they do this miracle by understanding the flow state and applying it in their daily routine. Flow state is not a mysterious power, but it is a natural ability of our brain and body. When you learn to apply it in your daily life and work, you can achieve your goals faster, make better decisions, and achieve extraordinary success. In this chapter, we will see how you too can touch heights in your life and career by adopting the flow state. Flow state is not limited only to athletes, scientists, or entrepreneurs. 1. Morning habits. Morning rituals. Start your day right. How you start your morning determines your whole day's performance. Meditation, deep breathing technique, breath work, light exercise, and positive thoughts. Positive affirmations can energize your mind and body. Example: Steve Jobs used to look in the mirror every morning and ask himself, if today was my last day, would I do what I am about to do? This helped him always remember his real goal. To deep work system. Adopt the deep work system. Set aside 2 to 3 hours to do the most difficult and important tasks without any interruption during this time. Turn off mobile notifications. Stay away from social media and focus on only one task. Example: Bill Gates takes out Think Week twice a year where he sits alone and thinks deeply and makes new strategies. 3. Understand the fluctuations of energy. Energy management. Energy does not remain the same throughout the day, so the tasks that require the most concentration should be done at the highest level of your energy. Take small breaks in between work so that 1. Keep your brain fresh. Example: Elon Musk follows the 5-minute rule where he breaks his day into small 5-minute blocks and makes the most of every minute. 2. Strategies to boost productivity. Meditation and creativity. 3. Mindful meditation. Meditate for 10 to 15 minutes every day. It helps you stay in the present, reduce stress, and go into deep focus. Example: Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey meditates daily and considers it the biggest secret of her success. 4. Follow the 30-90 rule. The 30-90 rule: whenever you want to learn a new skill, first practice it for 30 minutes every day and then continue it for 90 days. This rule accelerates neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity makes your brain learn faster. Example: Japanese swimming coach Kai Jane uses this technique which helps his athletes improve faster. 5. Pomodoro technique. Work with full concentration for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times and then take a long 15-minute break. Take breaks. This allows your brain to stay in deep meditation for a long time without getting tired. Example: music. Exhale slowly for 5 seconds. Repeat this 5 times. Benefits: this technique reduces stress, calms the mind, and helps you get into the flow state. To micro flow activities. Experience the flow state even in small tasks. Take up any creative activity, drawing, painting, playing music, or writing. These small tasks train your brain to get into the flow state. 3. Adopt the next step mindset. Whenever you face a challenging task, ask yourself, what is the next smallest step I can take? This allows your brain to move faster by dividing the task into smaller parts instead of a big and difficult goal. Being in the flow state is not the power of only a few people. It is a skill that anyone can learn. You just need to apply the right techniques in your life. Start your day with meditation and breath work. Adopt deep work methodology. Avoid distractions. Manage energy and break your work into smaller steps. Take up creative activities and take your productivity to new heights. Now is the time to recognize the power within you, unleash your full potential, and perform exceptionally in your work and life. Chapter 6: The Dark Side, Dangers and Ethical Considerations. We all want extraordinary success. We want to accelerate our learning, develop deep creativity, and take productivity to the extreme. Stealing Fire explains how flow states and altered states of consciousness can help us achieve all this, but is it completely safe? Can repeatedly relying on these states pose any kind of danger? Every power comes with a responsibility, and the same applies to flow states. If it is not balanced, it can lead to addiction, mental fatigue, burnout, and ethical problems. In this chapter, we will see how to avoid the potential dangers of flow states and altered states of consciousness and how to strike a balance between high performance and long-term well-being. Sustainable well-being. Flow addiction. Are we relying on it unnecessarily? Can become overly dependent. Flow state feels like a superpower. In this state, we lose the sense of time. We learn faster and are able to perform incredibly. But if someone becomes overly dependent on this experience, he starts feeling uncomfortable working in normal everyday situations. Example: many athletes and artists do not feel motivated without flow state, due to which they always find themselves looking for high levels of stimulation. 2. Mental fatigue and burnout. Repeatedly pushing your brain to peak performance can be physically and mentally tiring. If a person tries to go into flow state again and again, this mental fatigue can cause cognitive fatigue and in the long run can cause depression and anxiety. Example: many entrepreneurs in Silicon Valley face severe stress and sleep problems due to overstimulation. Third, dependence on artificial methods. Dependence on external stimulation. Some people become dependent on substances like cyclic neurostimulation or caffeine to reach flow state quickly. This can affect the natural ability of the brain, and without any external help, it is not possible to achieve it. Microdosing can reduce the ability to go into deep meditation. Many entrepreneurs who use microdosing techniques become addicted to it. In the long run, the right use of flow state can increase our productivity, creativity, and mental clarity, but it is beneficial only if we adopt it in a balanced way. Adequate rest recovery is essential. Give time to the body and mind to recover after flow state. Improve the quality of sleep, as sleep is the most important way to re-energize our brain. Example: Olympic athletes maintain a clear balance between their training and rest so that they can perform at a high level again and again to go into flow state naturally. Avoid artificial shortcuts. Mindfulness, meditation, breathing techniques, breathwork trigger flow state in natural ways. 3. Adopt the on-off switch strategy. Train your mind and body naturally instead of relying on external stimuli. 3. Adopt the on-off switch strategy. Make time for rest and reflection instead of always being in high performance mode. Example: Spaces and Tesla teach employees to maintain a smart work-life balance along with the 4 flows. People are encouraged to give importance to normal life as well. Understand that it is not necessary to be in flow state all the time. Make it a habit to complete even simple daily tasks with peace and satisfaction. For example, Steve Jobs used to adopt a simple lifestyle every day to increase his creativity. With the increasing use of flow state and altered consciousness states, some ethical questions also arise. Is everyone ready for this? Going into flow state requires mental stability and self-control. If used incorrectly, it can be harmful. Can companies put excessive pressure on employees? Many companies push employees to be highly productive, which makes them mentally tired. Companies should also take care of the mental health and balance of employees while using this technique. Is it right for everyone? Every person's mental makeup is different. Some people can get positive effects from flow state, while for some it can cause stress or imbalance. Flow state and altered consciousness states can make us achieve extraordinary achievements in life, but only their balanced use will lead us to long-term success and happiness. If you want to achieve high performance, if you want to achieve success, smart recovery and mental stability are equally important. Remember, success does not mean only running fast but also moving in the right direction. Now the time has come to take your performance to a new level, but with alertness and balance. So friends, this book teaches us that we should know how to consciously control our consciousness. This is not just a book but a new way of living life. By staying in the flow state, we can be more productive in less time. Our mental capacity can be increased by meditation, breathing techniques and mindfulness. The change that we want to bring in the society is possible only when we take our own mental state to a higher level. So thank you so much to all of you for giving your precious time and love to our channel. We'll see you tomorrow with a new video.